Make sure to smash the subscribe button so you do not miss out our next videos. Stick with me till the end to get a special bonus. What will happen to your body if you plank every day? 1. Improved core definition. Planks are an ideal exercise for the abdominal muscles because they engage all major core muscle groups, including the transverse abdominus, the rectus abdominus, the external obliques, and the glutes. 2. Decreased risk of back injury. Doing a plank every day will allow you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. One of the plank exercise benefits is it can strengthen your back muscles and ensure more support and stability for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. 3. Metabolism boost. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. The core muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise on a day-to-day basis will ensure that you burn more energy, even when sedentary, because they are some of the largest muscles in the body. 4. Improved posture. Planks have a great impact and improvement on your posture. A strong posture brings with it a huge number of fantastic benefits. It keeps your bones and joints in the correct alignment, which means both your bones and joints will be better maintained, but it also means the overall effectiveness of your muscles will be improved. 5. Improved balance. Have you ever felt that when you try standing on one leg, you can't stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It's not because you are just clumsy, but rather because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to give you the balance you need. 6. More flexibility. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, as this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching your hamstrings, the arches of your feet, and the toes. Special bonus! How to hold a plank position. Plank exercise benefits can change your life. But first, you need to know how to do it right. Doing planks correctly takes practice, and it will be very difficult until you build up your muscles a bit. Here is an overview to help you get into a regular plank position. 1. Get into a push-up position on the floor. 2. Bend your elbows 90 degrees, and rest your weight on your forearms for a forearm plank position. 3. Keep your torso straight and rigid, and form a straight line from head to toe with no sagging or bending. 4. Your head is relaxed, and you should be looking at the floor. 5. Hold the position for as long as you can. 6. Remember to breathe by inhaling slowly and steadily. 7. When your form begins to suffer, pull the plug. You're only benefiting from planks when your form is good.